Hi traders, Anthony here, taking a look at the euro pound, and I like what I'm seeing here. We've got a bit of room above here. We've got a gap that we can potentially trade through, and looking left as far as the target goes, I'm gonna pick up this red candle prior to this move here, and I'll pull that through. Okay, you see we traded up into that, rejected, retraced, and anything prior, we've got this green candle here. Okay, it's a little bit above, and we have this green candle here. Okay, I'm just looking for these candles prior to an impulsive move, and if we went down to a lower time frame, we'd see that this would be a consolidation zone. Anyway, so what I'm looking for is a target area, and it coincides with this diagonal as well. So that would be an area of interest for me. I'm looking for an opportunity to get involved here because I actually quite like what I'm seeing. We've got a break above this level here that came into play as a support level here, 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 and here we spiked through, traded back down to it, and now we're trading above. So it's currently ranging above this level at the moment, and I mean, look, we do have the pullback. I'm just waiting now on for the market more or less to invite me in. So what I want to do is go down to the lower time frame and just show you how I go about entry. I mean, this has given me a bit of a game plan. I know what I want to do. Then I go down to the lower time frame. So I'm going to open up a two chart layout. It's going to be this one, and let me just grab this. I want to show you this. Where have we got here? Where's our... There they are. So we'll go to a two chart layout at this point. We've got a 30-minute chart here. These vertical lines are the sessions. The Asian session kicked off back here. Now we're heading into the London Open. Could expect a little bit of volatility around here. So you can see how the market's ranging right now. I'm just waiting for an opportunity to get involved. It's not presenting itself as yet. The strategy is, it's a trend continuation strategy. Now I've seen on the daily chart that the market is bullish, so we're waiting for that to confirm. Okay, like a break of market structure, we want to see continuation to the upside, and then what will happen is on this indicator down here, our multi-time frame, we'll then see this is we've got the weekly, daily, 4, 2 and 1. The daily will turn green at any time soon. If we get a break above here, we'll see this daily, we'll see the green come into this. So I'm happy knowing that we have confluence with the higher time frames insofar as our trend's concerned. So that's the first thing, is this indicator down here and the daily. The next thing I'm looking for is the 30-minute chart, and I want price to be trading above the cloud, this bluey grey cloud on the 30-minute, and that happened back here. This is actually this white line here that you see, this vertical, is that's the New York Open. So this rotated just after the New York market opened. This rotated and sold off, but I'm interested in a buy opportunity after this breakout of this cloud here. And my points of interest, I'm looking at this in hindsight now, but these areas here are my points of interest. Now, if we're actually back here, for example, we don't know what's coming. All I know is that we've got a breakout of the cloud and we've had this big sell-off. How do you know when to enter? I mean, it's a volatile market. Look how far it pulled back. Let me just pull this up. I just want to show you this. This is important. Okay, how do you know where to enter? Was it here, or did you enter here, or did you manage to catch that? This is the thing. And then we have this, but how do you know? How do you know when to enter? So I guess I've spent time and money on this, building the indicators and everything that I have here in the system to give me an easy way in. I want the market to invite me in. What I'm doing then after this point is looking for, if we go out of here and we go into this lower time frame, this is a 1-minute chart. What I'm going to do on the 1-minute chart is I'm going to look for, after this breakout, and I've marked it with these lines. So let's just go back on the 1 minute and I'll show you this blue vertical line. So this is my point of interest here. After here, I'm looking for buy opportunities. I mean, I've got the alerts log, and you can see all of these alerts firing. We've got so many alerts going off. As soon as I see this I'm ready to go, and it takes all the guesswork out. Okay, this is pulling back, but where do you get in? You don't know. I mean, are you going to get in here? There's a pullback. Do you buy here? Or this takes all the guesswork out, and it gives you an entry. We're looking for not just a breakout of the range. Okay, so a breakout of the range is just a shift in the trend. It's not the break we need. This is a breakout of the range here, pull back, retest and fail here, but that could continue down. So what this does, it gives me a structural break on the time frame. So on the 1 minute chart, this confirms the structural break, and it gives me the rotation. So there's the pullback, it gives me the rotation. So as soon as that happens, I've got a trade opportunity, right? Trading with the trend. Now, I've been talking about this with my members, saying that, you know, I'm preferring to set these up on the 5 minute. The 1 minute chart's been very volatile with the Russian-Ukraine thing, so we're getting a lot of breakout signals. However, let me just come back and let's just say that you spotted this here, this breakout on the 30 minute. Well, if you want to, you can set up the alerts on the 1 minute and the 3 minute or the 5 minute if you want to go off to get you in early on the pullback here and the rotation out. Given that this is trading in our favor, we're looking for the green breakouts, so set up your alerts on the 1 minute, 3 minute or 5 minute if you want to. Only after the breakout on the 30 minute and we've got the confirmation with the higher time frame, then you can go for it. And if you want to, you can come over to your list here, and you know, you can mark it out. You can manage this. There's your Forex pairs, and what do we got? This is the euro pound. Okay, so euro pound, I'm looking for green breakouts, and you can color code that, say that this is a go ahead if we see a signal. Hope that makes sense. I don't want to spend too long on that, but look, there's the breakout, 1 minute chart. We enter on the 1 minute and we manage the trade on the 30 minute as far as risk, position size, etc. Okay, we're just going for these breakouts, green breakouts, because we have the confluence. Okay, now I know in hindsight now that this market just traded sideways. Alright, but you know, we're building some positions here. Another green break, so we're going to be looking for these. Now, in the current market or the current price level, this is where it gets interesting. See, there's another break here. Okay, so we're only looking for the green breaks, not the red ones. So let's just come back here. Okay, now we've got a breakout here to the upside. This is interesting, right? I like what I'm seeing. Okay, let's just grab this. We've got a break of this high back here. Now, 1800, this is trading right into the London Open. Okay, there's your cue. Break and retest to these highs. There's your signal right here. I want to see this now rotate and hold above, and then I'll be looking for an entry. Now I don't want to chase that. Look at it pushing up here. It's ridiculous. Now be careful, by the way. The London Open can be a little bit tricky. This could be, okay, get ready, a fake out, and then it trades back down and we get a bit of a shakeout, and then we get that. So be very, very careful trading the London Open. Just see where this finds its feet and look to get involved. Look at it. Ridiculous the way they manipulate this market. And you'll find actually quite often when the market opens, it'll trade in one direction, then it'll rotate. So watch out. Okay, so yeah, I mean, we've got a breakout, but don't chase it. Okay, we've got this level. I want to see retest and fail and see it hold. And then that's your cue to take it. Pull back into the mean, something like that. All right, but be careful because it can do that and then we get our move. So anyway, I don't want to repeat myself. Long opportunity, the euro pound. Guys, click the link below my video and jump on board, grab my indicators. There's a 7-day free trial, and join my Telegram group. It's amazing what we're doing. With that, safe trading. See you in the next video.